the past few months, my love for the outdoors has increased. It feels so good getting out of a city and taking in some freshness and being close to nature. So when my friend said AFADJA too, I was excited. Equipment checked, bags packed, off we went. Now notice the title of a video mentions trip to Wli Falls. We'll tell you more soon. We stopped at the Agoomatsa bridge, took some photos, had some fun, and off we went. Personally, it was nice being around my friends, talking and bonding. In my mind, I was already picturing that shot at the summit of AFADJA and how epic it was going to be. And we got lost. I still can't explain how we got lost. Apparently, we used the wrong route. But we were so close to the hills, because I checked on Google Maps anyway. We could have still made it, technically, but it would have been too late to climb. So we changed our destination. Wli Waterfalls was on our itinerary anyway, so it wasn't too disappointing.
Every waterfall.
The east of Ghana has some beautiful mountainous views. So we are at Wli Waterfall. We're supposed to do a 45-minute hike. Guys, so we're walking to the waterfall. Where's Festus? Look at him. Yeah, our trip, or not so trip to AFADJA. It fell into water, so.
Hey, dinosaur.
And we're supposed to cross 9 bridges, and this is our third bridge. Yeah, third bridge. So on our path we go through lots of these places covered with lots of trees, and there's like a microclimate because it's really cool under the trees, and then you step out to the hot parts where there are no trees and the sun just scorches you directly. So yeah, that's Arnold Schwarzenegger. So guys, our guide says he knows me.
I know.
And I've been coming here.
Yeah, I know.
Meanwhile, I haven't stepped a foot here. I haven't stepped a foot here before.
No.
So I'm sure maybe I have a twin somewhere. Yeah, exactly. So yo, if you look like me and you're out there.
You know here for a long time. I know you.
Oh no,
I've been taking you as a guide.
Wow.
I've been a guide with some people to the falls before. That is why I know you.
Yeah.
I know you.
Yeah, well, so guys, you heard it yourself. There's someone out there who's me.
Not somebody. You.
It's me. The story just got interesting, guys.
No, it's true. I'm working here like 16 years ago.
16 years.
16 years. So I know you.
And when was the last time the person came here? If you remember, you don't remember.
No, I can't remember, but I know I recognize your face.
Hey, that is not me.
It's you.
You want to make
It's you.
That is someone who looks like me.
No.
Wow.
This one too knows you. Focus it.
Minutes more.
I resemble someone for you. Wow. Guys, it's getting interesting.
He's also a tour guide, so he knows you.
Oh, I haven't been here before. And we have a long way, about 10 minutes to get to, 10 to 15 minutes to get to the fourth bridge. And then from then, the intervals in between the bridges become shorter. So yeah, we're on a journey. This is the next bridge. We're about Cross. Ford Bridge. What? Which bridge is this? Safe Bridge. Safe Bridge. Accra is too stuffy, you know. Accra is just too stuffy. You need to come out here.
The air is fresh.
Oh Lord.
Number 6 conquered.
Which one is this? Bridge 7. Bridge number 8.
Bridge number 8.
Life is beautiful. Like Alagoon to me. So guys, we're approaching the waterfalls. So we're at the waterfall, just to give you a view from here. The waterfall is behind me, and you can see people down here. I think it's a beautiful sight. You should see the view from up there. There are beautiful places like this in Ghana, and I feel like we haven't finished exploring our country, and we keep going to other countries. I mean, if you make it a target to visit one tourist attraction 1 month in a year, I'm sure there'll be 12 magnificent places you can visit in Ghana, and you won't regret it. This is beautiful. We're heading back. We're heading back. I can't find Festus, so I packed his stuff. Apparently, he went ahead to get some drone shots. For me, the most refreshing bit about this was getting this close to nature, and how nature feels like. You know, with all the water, with all the humidity, the rainbow, the rainbow in the water, even the sound of water. You know, for me that's been the amazing bit, getting close to nature. So I'm walking in this, do I call it a jungle? In this thicket alone, surrounded by the sounds of insects and animals, some of which I don't know what animals they are, and the sound of rushing water from the waterfall. And I must say, this is amazing. It's quiet. That's scary. Well, not scary, but I mean, walking alone in the jungle, you tend to ask yourself, hey, what if something pops up? You know? But yeah, the solitude is absolute. Tired. I have 2 bags. Initially, I was balancing my weight, but now it's not funny. Oh, guess what? Finally, I have company. Can you hear them? I'm tired. Obviously, they've gone past me. Alright, so after walking for over close to like 25 minutes, Festus shows up behind me like Tarzan. Walking shirtless through the jungle.
It's not my fault. They took my stuff.
So see, he's not even wearing slippers. Now that's a good experience for him.
Yeah, it is. I'm actually having my feet massaged right now.
Hey,
like stones and toes, they are massaging my feet. So.
Charlie.
Yeah, you should try it. Take off your sneakers.
I can't.
You should.
I'm carrying 2 bags.
Oh no, I'll help you.
No, thank you very much.
Let me take the other bag.
God bless you. Bye bye. That's mine. I made it. So to the beginning where we started. This has been an amazing trip. I'm tired. This experience was exhilarating, and it wiped my disappointment of not making it up AFADJA. At least not yet. Ghana is beautiful, and as a filmmaker, I want to capture and tell the stories about these places. But nothing, absolutely nothing beats the feeling of being there yourself.